In our last two short videos, I showed you how to create a quote and to send that quote to your client. But what if that client calls back and wants to add another item to that quote? Well, let me show you how you do this. So you're going to go and find the item you want to add to the quotation. We'll go back to Tiverton Light where we were. And we want to add a T882 to this quotation. So all I do is I select the chair I want to add, and then we come over here to the existing quote part here, and we want to add two of these chairs, and we want them in category 3, we want the polished aluminium base, and we're going to add them to the quote that I was working on previously there. Click on add to existing quote, and as you'll see, we have now added the T882 to this quotation that we had previously. We can go on to edit that, to add the various fabrics and so on. So let's do that. So this is the in Jaffa again. So I'm going to update that. And then if I save that quotation, I can now re-email that quote straight to my client. I can export the PDF or do whatever I wish to do to that. Now let's say, for example, that that's actually a replacement for the T880, which I then want to remove. I can do that very easily as well. I can edit the quotation, click on edit here next to the T880, and then delete this line item. And yes, I'll confirm I want to delete it. Now if I save that quote, I've now got the T882 and the T880 ATJ, and again I can export that quote, email it and so on to the client. So that's how to edit an existing quote, how to add a chair to a quote and get it over to your client.